Harrison coming to you from IT Expo West 2010 at the LA Convention Center. I'm joined by Kurt Rahrig, Director of Sales for BTI Systems. Welcome, Kurt.
Thank you.
Thanks for being here. So tell us about BTI Systems and what you guys do.
BTI is a Canadian-based company based in Ottawa, Canada. Been in business for about a little over 10 years now, and we're in the packet optical space, optical transport DWDM, CWDM systems, and also packet optical systems, layer 2 carrier Ethernet systems, and so forth.
Okay. And what markets do you serve?
Our primary focus is on carriers, so they would be everybody from the very large Tier 1 carriers like Verizon and Qwest to independent telephone companies and everything in between. But we're also making some inroads into the enterprise space, and that's one of the reasons why we're here at the show today.
Okay, great. And now I understand that you guys just made an announcement about your 7200 platform.
Yes, 7200 is our new flagship platform that we just launched about 2 months ago. It's a larger 7-rack unit RU chassis, and in that we can deliver about almost 500 gigabits worth of bandwidth over a DWDM, over a pair of fiber.
Okay, great. Yeah. And then I hear that you're soon to announce a content caching product. Tell us about that.
So we have a new product that we're going to be launching in a couple weeks called Whitecast, and it's a hardened cache product that that we're really excited about. It's not in our traditional packet optical space, but it's what we'll be doing is content taking caching of content right to the edge of the network, and it's a hardened platform, temperature hardened and so forth, and we think that it will fit and benefit the economics of content caching at the local exchange level.
Okay. Yep. I mean, in a pretty crowded market or a pretty crowded industry, how do you guys differentiate yourselves?
We're, I guess our sweet spot and how we differentiate ourselves is that if you're looking at from a transport, layer 1 transport DWDM, we have the highest density system on the market, best power consumption on the market, and it's very easy to operate and maintain. So that's kind of our sweet spot, and that's where we make a lot of inroads, especially for high density 10 gig applications like for data center connectivity, cloud computing, and so forth. Been very successful in that space.
Okay, excellent. Yeah. And before we wrap up, what's next for BTI in 2011?
2011, we've had every year in the past 5 years we had a record sales year. 2011 is going to be another sales record year. Having a very good year.
2010, so
2009 was slower than we had anticipated, but we still had a record year.
Really?
And then 2010 is going to be another record year, and we're anticipating, having another great year next year, 2011. So.
Okay, well that's all good news.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining me, Kurt.
You bet.
I've been speaking with Kurt Rahrig, Director of Sales for BTI Systems. I'm Erin Harrison, coming to you from IT Expo West 2010 in Los Angeles.